That injury must be effective. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. This video is so important, and I experienced it so many times in the land. When you are injured, that injury must be effective. You know, after being hurt, sad, crying, grieving, you need to sit down, analyze your pain. Why? To learn from it. Open your eyes, open your beautiful eyes, and see what this pain is trying to tell you. What those pains trying to tell me. You know, if sadness never goes away and you drown in it, unfortunately you will not learn anything. From that pain. Yeah, you know, I have suffered. You have suffered and been wounded. Use it. Use it as armor in your struggles. Those who inflicted wounds on me wanted me to become, isolated and withdrawn, to stop creating art. I told you. This is my artworks. I'm not going to stop creating art. You know, they wanted me to not exist at all. Yeah, the stupid people. You should avoid them. You must analyze those wounds and become stronger than those wounds. Those people and more resilient for your future, for your goals, for yourself. These hurts should give you knowledge to grow with. I won't waste painful moments I suffered. If the hurt drowns you in such a way that you don't gain any insight, the harm done to you will be ineffective. Remember, along with all the past resentments in the world. You gained experience and knowledge of assholes around you. So many assholes and stupid people around you. And that's true. There are many reasons to be emotional in life. So many reasons. Do you want to cry over anything in your life? That's okay. But you have to do your job. You have to think about your future. You have to achieve what you want in life. You know, you have to learn from your pain. You have to learn from life, from stupid people, from good people, from wounds, from everything and anything. Anything. And not let annoying emotions rob you from your life. All I want to say is that finish what you've started. Don't let annoying wounds, pains rob you from your life, from your happiness. This is your own life, okay? And no one, absolutely no one can take your place. You also cannot take someone else's place. So focus on yourself and be brave. Be brave. And you are immortal, always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Bye.